My dad has kept this gold spot secret for over 30 years, and today he's finally showing me where it is. What happened next completely changed our day. Dad has been telling me about this old patch for years, and today we're finally going back together.
Most people walk straight past this place.
That's exactly why I wanted to come. That's a solid signal.
Now that's the sound we've been waiting for.
No way.
I told you there was still gold hiding here.
The best treasure isn't always the gold. Sometimes it's the memories you make with the people who taught you how to find it.